In this video, I will talk a little bit about the central method we use in Mindshift coaching and the theoretical background. In Mindshift coaching, we use the PSI theory from Professor Dr. Julius Kuhl, which is a theory of personality system interaction. First of all, I will explain you a little bit about the neurophysiology of our brain, and then I will talk about more in detail on the macro systems which are postulated by the theory. I will see you on the screen.
So I'm going to explain, the PSI theory from Kuhl, and basically it postulates 4 central brain systems that are essential for controlling action and hence individual achievement of goals. So sustainable learning and action are only possible when both hemispheres of your brain are working together smoothly, and so to say, if they interact, if they communicate with each other. And it's important to say that the theory and the systems are only a simplified depiction of complex processes, right? And we simplify it because we want to clarify learning pathways and the functional architecture of the networks, so you can apply them for yourself and we can use them in the coaching process. So when we look at the neurophysiology of the brain, we see that we have 2 hemispheres. We have the explicit conscious left hemisphere and the more implicit, the unconscious hemisphere. They work in different manners. The left hemisphere works sequential. It's a step-by-step hemisphere. So we have step 1 to step 2 to step 3. It's slow processing, and it processes numbers, words, letters. And even though it's really good to have this analytical hemisphere, for example, for mathematical equations like 1 plus 1 is 2, you really want this sequential analytical procedure, it can sometimes undermine the goal pursuit process because, for example, if a step in the system like step 2 is missing, the left hemisphere has a problem to getting to number 3. And this is where the right hemisphere comes into place. It processes information in a parallel, highly integrative, simultaneous manner. So basically it sees multiple pathways through which we can reach a goal, right? It sees multiple solutions, right? And this is also because it's really fast processing and has access to a lot of variety of experiences. The right hemisphere is activated by images. It is activated by music, but also by smell and taste.
If the neurophysiological background was interesting to you and you want to learn more about the 4 systems which are postulated by PSI theory and how we use them in our coaching, you can book a free consultation call. The link is in the description. I will see you.